how to log into Trust Wallet app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into the Trust Wallet app on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to basically log into your Trust Wallet application on your iPad, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Trust Wallet application here. And once you launch the Trust Wallet app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you can directly tap the Get Started option that you can find here. And once you tap on the Get Started option here, it will ask you for a couple of details. Now, assuming we already have an account and that we would like to log in, you can tap the gear icon from the top left of the screen here, and then you should be able to see different sort of options. Otherwise, you can just come back here, tap on Create New Wallet, Add Existing Wallet. You can tap on Add an Existing Wallet and make sure to create a passcode, follow the other instructions, and then you'll be successfully logged in to your Trust Wallet account. This way you will be able to log into Trust Wallet on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.